Legit hypercar chilling right next to me. Love RX-7. Right into the action, hopping on the highway. 300 plus car crews, all for charity, hosted by the Cannonball Run Hustle Foundation and Toys for Tots in the Lexus IS 350. I'm hyped, about to get crazy on this highway. It is a little packed. They are shutting it down right now to let all the cars in. So, hop it over. This Lotus is gonna be my buddy because I feel like I got similar speed to him, being the 2GR and everything. Make that cut, big dog. We're with the pack now. That's my boys up in that truck. Yo, hi, yay! These are my homies up here. Holy, we are taking over the DFW highways, boys. We are getting crazy. Oh my God. And to think this is legal and for charity. This is amazing. Hop in with this RX-7. Oh my goodness, y'all. This is getting wild. Yo! Yes, sir! Are we doing that? We are taking over the highway right now. Hi guys! Hi guys! Hello! Is that the IPL? Hey, that's my boy right there. Hey. Now we're behind a dark horse. Wow. All the supercars there, some R8s. Back to my buddy in the Lotus. Look at that. Oh my God, Viper. That's a 918. Oh my God, there's a 918 on this cruise. Holy crap. Jesus, yeah, I'm gonna let them hop in front of me. What am I doing right now? I'm cruising with a 918 Spider, some sort of McLaren 750, whatever. Oh my God, bro. Oh, holy pop. Look at this. I gotta get next to him. I gotta get next to him. Holy! Oh my God! 918! Woohoo! Aston Martin. Yes, sir! Lotus. 918. Oh my God, bro. Legit hypercar chilling right next to me. Yes, sir! Wow. Y'all enjoy this content, man. Uh-oh, someone's in trouble. Someone got a ticket. Hello, boys. Howdy.
IS350.
What up, boy? Hey!
RPF1s.
Rep RPF1s, yeah, bro. I'm about to eat this Chick-fil-A. I'm about to eat Chick-fil-A. Let's get some Christmas music going. Hold up. Christmas hit Spotify. Yay! Hey, 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 hey. Bum, 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 bum. Last Christmas, I gave you my heart, but the very next day, you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I'll give it to someone special. Na 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 na. Da na 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 na. Do 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 do. Tell me, baby, do you recognize me? No, we cut out. Smile. months, I gave you my heart. All right, we're pulling up to the meet now. A lot of cars. Hey, what's up? Crazy. I don't know how they're gonna fit all these cars. 21 cars. Man, where you put 21 cars? Man, give me a car. I don't know where to park. I might just park at the...
She's great.
She's hype. She is so hype. No, she's so... She's gonna do an intro for my car?
Yes.
Wait.
Look, it's Lexus, the winner edition.
Yeah! Hey, Toys for Tots!
Yeah.
Toys for Tots!
Yeah.
Toys for Tots! Hey, wait, fist bump, fist bump, fist bump! Yeah!
Oh my god.
Oh my god, that was awesome. I got in my outro. Here we are at the end. The end of the cruise. Got the Lexus. Got a bunch of other cars we got to send to the back. But if y'all enjoyed, like, subscribe, comment what you want to see next. Yay! Boom!